Okay, let's start writing some HTML. First of all, we need some basic ideas. First idea is use of tags. A tag is an instruction in HTML. So how does the computer know that what it's reading is a tag? Simply, any tag is put inside angled brackets, or the greater than and less than signs on the computer. So anything that's inside there, the computer recognizes as what it thinks of as being a tag. And the first tag I'm going to put in there is quite simply a comment. The exclamation mark means this is a comment. It means it's a tag, but don't do anything with it. And that allows me to tell everybody what I'm doing, that the document type, the doc type, is HTML. So the first thing that anybody sees when they open up this document is that it is in fact a HTML document. So first line, HTML. And now I need to tell the computer that it's HTML. Okay? You could really mess off this first line, but it just tends to be good manners to tell everybody what you're doing first. So now we tell the computer what we're doing is HTML. So the computer says, oh, right, okay, I've opened this file. What I'm going to see next is a whole load of hypertext markup language. When I'm finished writing, I need to tell the computer that I've finished. So we need to tell it we're stopping doing something. So I've said start looking for some HTML, and I want to tell it to stop looking for HTML. Now this is a slightly unusual thing in programming, that we have to actually tell it when to stop. So we assume that if we tell it to do something, when we're finished doing it, it'll automatically understand we have to stop. But this is all kept very, very simple, so we don't. We say, no, I've now finished writing HTML, and I do that by putting in a /. So a / in front of anything means I am finishing off doing it. I want to stop doing that, maybe to start doing something else, but in this case just to finish. So my program is going to be between start HTML and stop HTML. Next, we're going to split the web page up into two parts. The first part is the instructions all about what the whole web page is going to look like. That gets called the head. So the head is the place where you put instructions which apply to the whole web page. And I'm going to put that in there, and then when I'm finished writing about the head, I'm going to say stop. And the main part of the page, where we put most of the writing, is called the body. Okay? So we split up the web page into the instructions which apply to the whole web page, and specifically what we want to put on the web page itself. Now, you might say, well, why do that? If I'm doing a website, how all the pages on the website look will always be the same. So what I put in the head will always be the same. So if I want to do 20 web pages, all I need to do is copy and paste what's in the head, and all the web pages will have the same format. What will be different is what's written in the body. So it's a way of making lots of web pages which look the same, or a website, more easily by having something which is all in the same place and easy to copy. So what I've done here is I've started writing some HTML in Notepad. I've started putting tags in. I can tell that they're tags because they're inside the angled brackets. When I want to start doing something, I write the tag. When I want to stop doing that thing, I put the / in. So start the head, stop the body, stop the body, start writing HTML, stop writing HTML.